Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax. Today I wanted to show you a 2017 Solstice 250 by Harris Boats. So as you can see, we have a blue and silver exterior with the silver fence. Originally, when this customer purchased this boat, it only had the single bimini. We added the second bimini to it at purchase, but since we took it in on trade, we replaced both bimini canvases and frames. So on the back of the boat, there's a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado with a jack plate. One thing I have not mentioned is this boat does include a trailer, and there's about 130 hours on this motor right now. This is a great bang for the buck if you're looking to get out on the water and spend some time with your family. Tons of room in here. I'm in the Texas heat right now. I'm plenty shaded. It feels good under here right now. If you want, come on in and check it out. Hey guys, welcome in the 2017 Harris. So as you can see, tons of room in this boat. I got the stereo going right now. Let's turn it up real quick, see what it sounds like. Obviously, sound system sounds great. This does have a Garmin chart plotter on it. Like I said, 130 hours. So this is one of the DC or dual console models. So you do have the nice windshield right here. It's also a single lounger in the back, so this moves forward and aft depending on which direction you want to face. Excuse this cushion. The batteries are underneath there, so I turned on the boat, obviously. But check it out, guys. Ski tow pylon in the back. Tons of room to party, entertain, water sports, do everything. So definitely come by and see us. Again, my name's Billy with MarineMax. You can reach me at 936-223-6770.